In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage inventory or ship products to customers, delivery notes are an important part of your workflow because they let you track goods that have been dispatched before generating the final invoice. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this process very simple once you know where everything is located. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process, from navigating the sales section all the way to saving your delivery note and preparing it to be converted into an invoice later. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials that help you work faster and manage your business more efficiently. Now, let's jump straight into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel where all your modules are located. From this sidebar, look for the section called Sales. Click on Sales to expand the options available under it. Inside the Sales section, you'll see different options like Invoices, Estimates, Customers, and Delivery Challans or Delivery Notes depending on your region settings. Here, you want to click on Delivery. This will open the Delivery Notes section where all previously created delivery records are stored. At the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on the Plus New button to start creating a new delivery note. Once the form opens, the first field you'll need to complete is the customer name. Click the Customer Selection field and choose the customer you are delivering the goods to. If the customer already exists in your Zoho Books contacts list, simply select their name from the dropdown. After selecting the customer, Zoho Books will automatically generate a delivery number for the document. This number is usually formatted something like DC-001, and it helps you keep track of each delivery record in your system. Next, move to the Item Details section. This is where you will add the products or items that are being shipped to the customer. Click on the item field and select the product from your inventory list. After selecting the item, enter the quantity that is being delivered. If you are sending multiple items, simply continue adding new line items and choose each product along with its corresponding quantity. Zoho Books will automatically pull the item information from your inventory records, which helps reduce manual entry errors and keeps everything organized. Below the item section, you will also see a field labeled Type. This option lets you specify the reason for the delivery. For example, you might choose Supply if the goods are being delivered for a normal sale, Job Work if items are being sent for processing, or Sale on Approval if the customer will review the goods before confirming the purchase. Select the option that best matches your delivery situation. Once all the details are filled in, take a moment to review the information to make sure the customer, items, and quantities are correct. When everything looks good, go to the top or bottom of the form and click the button labeled Save as Open. This will save the delivery note in Zoho Books and mark it as an open delivery record. At this stage, the goods are considered dispatched but not yet invoiced. Later, once the customer confirms receipt of the goods and you're ready to bill them, you can easily convert this delivery note into an invoice directly inside Zoho Books. This keeps your sales workflow organized and ensures your accounting records stay accurate. And that's how you create a delivery note in Zoho Books step by step. It's a quick process that helps you track shipments and manage your sales documentation much more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials and simple accounting software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.